Hey Florian, story time while I'm trying to figure out how to do this DIY candle kit. I have no idea, I might have to read the instructions. Even after that, I'm probably still gonna be clueless, but we can figure it out together. First thing, open. Oh, it's this one. Ready? Ooh. One of them broke, are you serious? I got this from school, by the way. I got it from high school, where you just sit around doing nothing. I got it from It's How to Do It, Broken Glass and Trust. Okay, so let me read the instructions first before I mess up. Lay out your canvas and plan what color you want to use in your candle list. Okay, that's pretty easy. Oh, that's kind of cute. Okay, let me take out the glass so it won't spill everywhere and make it worse. This is so cute. I hope this has scent to it. You guys know that. You guys can smell. There's glass. You gotta be careful. I still have him. I'm gonna just give you guys this. I made a whole video on the update of him. He can walk, and it's just been really hard on me and my family lately. And this is why I stick with this. It makes things a lot easier for me. But after you get the hang of your new routine and your new life with Jesus, it gets easier. Dude, why? You know me, I love the color pink. I'm gonna use pink first. And then, why do I feel like it's gonna explode everywhere? Can you imagine? I made a mess. So when I first saw this, me thinking, maybe I should get it for a family member, but I'm like, nah, they're probably not gonna use it. Why not just use it by myself? And I'm making a mess. Purple, my second favorite color. Pretty. Okay, now I gotta. So we do this thing at school where we do like a winter fest, and we get whatever we want with fake school money. Me, I'm considered a student there. I'm not one of the favorites, so of course my experience is not going to be as great as this person and that person. So yeah, now I'm just stuck in that school, and I'm gonna look at the positive here. And the positive is I got this really cute kit, and I'm making a video about it. So the one thing that I wish people told me about graduating, I should have got a job before graduation, because without a job and you graduate, it will be 10 times harder to go get a job. And I wish I knew that a little sooner before I graduated, because I would have worked my butt off and looked for a job. Should I add in white? Like in between the colors, I should have added white. Oh well. Perfect. Oh, I actually really like it. So there's a lot of new things going on in my life that I really want to talk about, but I'm not allowed to talk about it for so many different reasons. But I would say the main one is because it involves gossiping about others, not the good type of gossiping. Like, this person handed me a $20 bill. This person gives up their seat for me. No, it's like this person did this, and this person hurt my feelings and wronged me a couple times. And I don't want to go into that, but I will say that I am feeling kind of sad how people are just starting to treat me really badly for no reason. Now, what the heck is this for again? Oh, to move it around and make it like the perfect amount. I didn't do that. I went with my gut and I'm like, let me just pour some and shake it. Oh well. Okay, so I have 3 different type of scents. Which one do you think I should have used? Strawberries with the vanilla with... I want to say blueberry. I don't think they're blueberries, but I want to say blueberry. And then this one is like a plant-based lime. Close to a lime, and then this one. You want a candle? I'm gonna make a candle. You want one? I think that's it. It's really cute. I gave my first candle to my sister. Why? Because I love her. So, oh, they had names here all along. Ah! I think it's this one. I might have to add in purple at the very, very top. I forgot to add in the thing. Looks cute. I just feel like I didn't add it in too much purple. Now let's light it. Ta-da! Shout out to my sister. She helped me light it. I remember this one question that my friend asked me, and she specifically said, she doesn't like the school just like me, and so me and her have something in common, and she was saying, what's your next plan? Are you going to stay? Are you going to leave? And I'm like, I want to graduate as soon as possible, and I couldn't do it last year. So many things happened, dealing with boys that want to be there, want to be my boyfriend for the wrong reasons, dealing with many different people, and it's just a struggle. Like, it's hard for me to talk about it because, again, I have friends that like that school, and I don't want my friends to start arguing with me about this school. And again, I hope you respect my decision. I don't like the school that I'm going to, and I'm not going to make a big fuss about it. I hope you don't mind, but I'm going to say a really quick prayer just for your life and for your happiness and joy and for your future. In Jesus' mighty name, I pray for my subscriber that is watching this. I pray for the person that is watching this, that they will receive a lot of peace and happiness and joy. I pray in Jesus' mighty name that they will find peace and happiness throughout their life. I pray in Jesus' mighty name that they will be happy finding their passion in life. I pray for them to get smarter and have wisdom and make easily decisions just within seconds. I pray for their family, health, and everything in Jesus' mighty name. I pray that to protect them, Jesus, in Jesus' mighty name. I pray for them and their family. Amen. Please let me know what you enjoyed about this video. My most favorite part about the video is just, talking, telling you guys my story. So, yeah. Let me know what part of the video that I could have done better or what you preferred out of the video. And yeah, thanks all for watching. God bless. Take care. Love you all. Peace out. Flower Girls out.